Find the area. See this question, children. Please do this sum. Work it out. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are. The vertices are given as -4 and 6. A -4, 6. B I am taking as no A is okay. This is B. Now A is given as 1, -1, and C is given as -3, -5. When the three vertices are given and no other area is given, base is given, you are applying your coordinate geometry. So area of the triangle is equal to 1/2 into x1 into, recollect y1, y2, y3. I have told you to start from here. The cycle goes like this. So here y2 minus y3, x2 into, now y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now from where you are getting all these values? Here it is given. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Getting a triangle like this, you draw the triangle like this. If they ask any question like that, and just write down the values. This is 1, -1. Write here x1, y1. B -4, 6. Right here x2, y2, and it goes on. And then the formula and put the values. So you will solve this sum without any mistakes. Next one. Prove that 3 plus root 5 is irrational number. Yesterday also I have done, children. Again I am showing you. Let 3 plus 2 root 5 be a rational number. 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to p by q. 2 root 5, keep it one side, and then 3 plus this 3 is shifted here. 2 root 5 is equal to p by q minus 3. Now this is RHS, LHS. LHS, there is no root sign. So this is a rational number. Since p by q minus 3 is a rational number, therefore 2 root 5 should also be a rational number. But 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Our assumption that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number is wrong. Therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 is a irrational number. Find the zeros of the quadratic equation. See, remember this heading, zeros. Zeros is nothing but factorize it, and then alpha plus beta. See, I have factorized it. 3x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Factorize it, you get the value x is equal to 4 by 3, x is equal to -1. Put the values, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Put the values and get the answer. Yes. Now solve by formula method. Solve by formula method. X square minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. Put the values and get it. A die is thrown once. The probability, find the probability of getting a number lying between 2 and 6. A die is thrown once means what? Sample space is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Die is thrown once, find the probability of getting a number lying between 2 and 6, and second one odd number. So first one they are asking first any numbers lying between 2 and 6. So between 2 and 6 means you should not take 2, should not take 6. So between 2 and 6 are here, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first write the formula. Probability of the given E is equal to N of E by N of S. So N of S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 ways. So this is 6. N of E. N of E comes up to 3, 4 comma 5, that comes to 3 ways, that is equal to 3. N of S is equal to 6, combined together. P of E is equal to N of E by N of S, that is equal to 3 by 6. So this is 1 za 2 za. Again I am telling you, it will never go against higher than 1. It lies between 0 and 1. What lies? The value of probability. Value of probability lies between 0 and 1. Now suppose this is the question. Find the degree of the polynomial. What is the polynomial given? 4x to the power of 4 plus 3x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 5 is equal to 0. When they ask you the degree of the polynomial, the highest degree is 4. So degree is equal to 4. Keep this in your mind. Then again, if p of x or f of x functional group is equal to 3x square plus 6x plus 5, find f of 2. What is the meaning of this? Where there is x, you are putting 2. Put x is equal to 2. Here f of 2 is equal to 3 into 2 the whole square plus 6 into plus 5. So 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12 plus into plus plus. Here 12 plus 5. Add it and write the answer. Yes. Now yes, one more, area of the sector. Now what is the meaning of area of the sector? Area of the sector, area of the sector, suppose this is the area of the circle. Area of the circle is pi r square. Now I want to find out only this part. Sector means a part of the circle. So here area of the sector is theta by, this is theta. Theta by 360. Why I am taking 360? The whole center angle is 360 into pi r square. So that means when they are giving you the area, suppose the area is given as 36 square centimeters, and then the finding of the value, or theta they give 60 they give. So suppose theta is given as 60, find the area of the circle. So they give the value of the r also. This r value will be given, theta will be given, you have to apply the value and give. Suppose they give the area, take the area. So here area of the sector when perimeter is given. Perimeter, what is the meaning of perimeter? The total length of the boundary of the circle. If it is a triangle, total sum of the sides. If it is square, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the sides you add, that becomes the perimeter. So when the perimeter is given, so this is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So any question given on circles related to the centers, please apply the formula and write the formula clearly. Now without now see one more question. Without actually performing the long division method, state whether the following rational numbers will have terminating decimal or a non-terminating repeated decimal. Example 2 by 5, 1 by 3 in the textbook. So many questions are given. So I think I would discuss it afterwards. So I think 3, 1, 2, 5. Okay, one sum I will give you. This is I can tell 2 by 3, 1, 2, 5. The second one I can give you as 5 by 8. Now don't go to divide it, just without actual division. You have to convert this. This question is in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. This number, the denominator, should be in the form of Anybody? Here a raised to 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n. What is the meaning of this? Whatever number is given here, it should have only factors as 2, 5. Let us see. The denominator is, that is q is equal to 3125. 3125, find the factors. 5 6 are 30, 1, 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are, 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5 raised to 5. This number 2 by 3125 can be written as 2 by 5 raised to 5. Now I only want something like 2. That also can be written. Write this in the form of 2 raised to 5. The same thing you write here, 2 raised to 5. Now here 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to 6 by. Now since this number, that is denominator, is written in the form of 5 raised to m into 2 raised to n. This number is a terminal rational number. If not, now for example this now 5 and 8, or you can say 5 and 14. So now take the denominator. 14 factors are 7 into 2. Here 2 factors is there, but this 5 factor I did. Here it is 7. So here 8 by 5 by 8 is nothing but 14 is 7 into 2. Since denominator is not in the form of 5 raised to m into 2 raised to n, therefore 5 by 14 is non-terminating, and you will get decimals which is not ending at all. So this is without actual division. Again I am telling you the format is 5 raised to m into 2 raised to n.